Just a quick update video. The car has tint. Just do a little walk around here. Took some pictures too before this. Interior update. Got a Van True T2 front-facing dash cam. I didn't go with the one that had the rear as well. Hard wires, it will be wired better soon. Hard wires right into, if you can see it down there, OBD2 port. So it powers on and off with the car. Has a parking mode, so any movement it senses in front of it, it will make a recording until the movement stops. And if something happens, if it senses like an accident while in parking mode, it saves it to a file that can't be deleted. Same with if normal driving, it does that too. Pretty cool.